What's cooking, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm making this easy 30-minute meal, which is my beef and broccoli noodle stir fry. This is a great dish to use up ingredients that you have in the fridge that you don't know what to do with, so stay tuned for the recipe. Do consider subscribing if you're new here, and also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get cooking. Let's start by heating up a wok. If you don't have a wok, you can use a large saute pan. Add in a few tablespoons of canola oil for cooking and let that heat up. Once the oil is hot, add in 1 heaping tablespoon of ginger paste. And I also have 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. I will be adding more garlic later. The oil was quite hot, so the ginger paste was splattering everywhere. Just be careful with that and mix that in the oil to cook it for a few seconds. Then add in 1 pound of ground beef. You can also use ground chicken here, or if you're vegan or vegetarian, use a meat alternative or just vegetables of your choice. Let the ground meat cook till all the juices have evaporated, which will allow it to get nicely caramelized and brown. Break down the ground beef till it's smaller in pieces, unless you want to see sort of big chunks. After you have cooked off the liquid from the meat and you see it getting a darker color, add in your spices. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of Chinese salt, or you can use a little regular salt if you don't have this, and toss it all up to flavor the meat nicely. The good thing about this dish is that you can add any other spice or flavor of your choice here. There's no mistakes. I further let this cook to get a crispy exterior on the beef, as you see here, and then added 1 sliced yellow onion. You can also use green onions here, but I just ran out of them. 5 garlic cloves that I sliced thinly, which add another dimension of garlicky flavor. 1 small broccoli head, about 1/4 cup of water to let the broccoli steam in for a couple of minutes. Toss that all up to combine really well, and then add in soy sauce. I'm using about a few tablespoons here, just estimating that, just to add some flavor, and cover this and let it cook for about 3 minutes only. Uncover after 3 minutes and mix it really well. I'm adding 1 cup of cooked sweet corn here, half a cup of yellow bell pepper because that's what I had left over in the fridge. You can use any color of your choice. A few tablespoons of soy sauce again. And if you haven't noticed, I didn't add any regular salt so far. The amount of soy sauce will add just the right amount of sodium here. Toss everything up till it's combined, and then I'm adding a few tablespoons of Korean gochujang, which is a spicy red chili paste. It's not super spicy, but has just the perfect amount of heat that this dish was craving. If you don't have gochujang, you can use sriracha or a hot sauce of your choice here. Mix that in with the other ingredients to add another level of flavor to the dish. At this stage, I'm adding my cooked noodles here. You can use any noodle of your choice. I had spaghetti laying around in the pantry, so I used up what I had. Top it off with a few dashes of sesame oil, approximately 1 teaspoon, and a few more tablespoons of soy sauce as needed. To finish it off, I'm going to mix the noodles in with the beef and broccoli mixture. This is just the perfect dish to make when you have ingredients in the fridge that you don't know what to do with. A little creativity in the kitchen will give you a quick 30-minute meal that everyone can enjoy. I'm going to plate it in a serving bowl with the perfect ratio of noodles, beef, broccoli, and other veggies I added to this flavorful dish. Top it off with some fresh cilantro and maybe some scallions if you have that. And here you have it, guys, the beef and broccoli noodle stir fry, done in less than 30 minutes and packed with flavor for days. Let me know in the comments below if you are also like me and like to use up ingredients in the fridge in a creative way. This dish has protein, veggies, and the perfect amount of carbs. Hope you get to try it out as a weeknight meal too. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my beef and broccoli noodle stir fry. This easy meal is so quick to make, especially on busy weeknights, so I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe before leaving. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.